Hello, welcome to Tech and Carry, the channel which provides solutions from the most basic to the most complex. And today I will be showing you how to add the casting icon in Windows 11 right next to the clock and standby. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll click on the Wi-Fi icon, edit, quick settings, add, click on cast, and done. And here you go. We are casted to my TV. And as you can see, there is a slight delay. Well, there was, not now. Perfectly in sync. And to disconnect, click on disconnect. Additionally, to open up other options for screen casting, select the Windows key and the letter P on the keyboard, and then you'll get a few more options. Duplicate, extend, second screen only. So now I will extend. And at this point, the TV is my extension. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was very informative. Please like and share, and then subscribe to stay tuned for weekly content.